Senator Bato Dela Rosa has tested positive for COVID-19. He announced it in a Facebook post. Dela Rosa revealed 4 of them in his household contracted the virus. The senator said he got the virus from his house helper who may have been infected from a salon. Dela Rosa was at the Senate 2 days before he tested positive for the virus. On the day he tested positive, Dela Rosa virtually participated in the Senate budget deliberations. Dela Rosa is the 5th senator to contract the virus. Senators Mig Subiri, Sonny Angara, Coco Pimentel, and Bong Revilla all tested positive for COVID-19 but have all recovered.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.